Hello guys, welcome to Top 10 Fictional. Today I want to show you guys how to use airdrop between an iPhone to a MacBook. So let's go to see how to do this. Alright, firstly what you have to do is to turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your iPhone. And today I got an iPhone 7 here. Alright, to turn on the Wi-Fi, scroll up and then select on the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. Okay, and then you have to hold on the control center right here, hold on it, and then select on airdrop. Okay, and then you have to select on everyone. Okay, that's all for the iPhone. And then you have to select on the control center on MacBook by select on the icons on the right on the top of the MacBook right here, select on it, and then select on airdrop and choose everyone. Okay, select on everyone. And then if you want to send a photo or a file like a video, you just use your two fingers on any item. For an example, I want to send a photo right here, this photo. Let's see. Okay, this photo of Samsung A3s disassembly, and then I have to select on use your two fingers on the mouse hole. Okay, and then select on share. Sorry, wait a minute. Select on share, and then you have to select on airdrop. And then it will show the device that you want to send to. For an example, if there are 2 or 3 iPhones around here, and then it will pop up the 3 iPhones in airdrop. But before you want to send the file, you need to see the name of your iPhone pop up here. And I don't know what is the name of the iPhone. Let me see. Go to the about. And alright, here my phone's name is iPhone. So I just select on the iPhone and done. Select on accept, and then the photo will come to the iPhone immediately. So you see here, and this photo is just the same as the photo in the MacBook, you see. And alright, this is the step for sending the photo or the files from the MacBook to iPhone. And if you want, so what do you want to so how do you do when you want to send a photo from an iPhone to the MacBook? Alright, so let's go to the photo on the iPhone. Right here I got 3 photos of me. Okay, and I want to send this photo, this selfie photo, and then I just select on this icon and select on airdrop, and then the device will pop up like just the same as in the MacBook. So right here I got MacBook Air, and then just select on the MacBook. Wait a minute, and then right here just select on accept. Okay, open in photo or save to download. Alright, I select on save to download. Okay, and then the phone the photo will come to the MacBook in the location called download. So you have to navigate to the file, just like on Finder, and select on download. Right here, this is the photo that I have just sent. Okay, you see, this is the photo in the iPhone 7, and now it's come to the MacBook. So that's it. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.